Welcome back. Let us continue. So, in the 16th century, we can say that Holland proved to be or emerged as a great trading center. Okay, so we find that the main or maritime supremacy, Holland emerged as a maritime supremacy and trade, and their map makers, it is said, made major breakthrough in the making of maps. In this, father of the map maker or cartographer was Gerardus Mercator. Okay, so the famous, or you can say Dutch cartographer was Gerardus Mercator. He was the first person, you can say, where he made what is called as projection maps. Projection maps. What is projection maps? See here, we know that the earth is round. We cannot project, because of the curvature nature of the earth, we cannot project all the continents as it is. Okay, the continents, some of the continents will be distorted if we draw the spherical nature of the earth. So, because of this here, Gerardus Mercator, he drew a map which is flat, where each and every continent were drawn according to its size, which is called as the projection maps. Okay, so here we have to important the famous person, the Dutch cartographer, who is the Gerardus Mercator. Okay, who was famous for projection maps. So, the next here now we have to discuss about India. Coming to India, we have to discuss about the colonization of India. We have to discuss about why the Europeans came to India. They came to India mostly because of the raw materials which existed in India. What are the important raw materials? Cotton, indigo, we can say, then tea, coffee, etc., which were exported from India to the European countries. Spices also were very important. Now, here when the Europeans came to India, not only to India but also to various continents like Africa also, they sent expeditions to explore the raw materials. So, when the Britishers established their power in India, when they established their rule in India, it is said that they wanted to know the interior of the country. So, to know the interior of the country, they established a department which is called as a survey department. Okay, it was called as the Survey of India department, and here you see in 1802 William Lambton, okay, he was appointed as a surveyor of or to survey maps, to make maps. Right. So, here 1802 William Lambton, he was called as a surveyor general. He was called as a surveyor general. Why they appointed or why they established a department? So, in order to know the interior of India. The same way here also you have to remember about George Everest. Okay, George Everest. William Lambton, it is said, actually started to know the height of every place in India, and he started measuring it from Chennai. He started measuring the height from Chennai up to the Himalayas, and this work of the height was completed by Sir George Everest. He is a person who first calculated the height of Mount Everest. That is why the name Mount Everest has come after him, that is Sir George Everest. Okay. So, here we find when colonization started in India, first to know about the interior of India, we have established, or the Britishers have established, the Survey of India, and here Surveyor General was Mr. William Lambton. And the first person to survey the height was Lambton himself, but the work was completed by Sir George Everest. Okay.